solution put to the beaker. It is already, it contains 90 milliliter of water. Then what happens? This 10 milliliter of colorful water when comes to this beaker, it mixed with water and it also become pink. Pink but lighter than this deep pink. Again take 90 ml 90 ml water, distilled water I mean to say, and again transfer 10 milliliter of this colorful solution A to B. Then what happens? It also will contain 90 milliliter and this also contain 90 milliliter distilled water. This water also become pink but lighter than this solution. Now again transfer 10 milliliter of this light pink solution to this jar and it's also become pink but lighter than this. Now B to C. Transfer the solution, then what happens? And again if we bring out 10 milliliter and again some of the beakers can be, water of the beaker I mean to say, can be made colorful. So we can see that only 2 or 3 small pellet of potassium permanganate can make it colorful up to 1000 liter of water. This so that the matters are made up of very small particles and particles are as small it cannot be seen with the microscope, general microscope. Thanks. Now the another experiment, my dear student, to show that particles of matter attract each other. Dear student, we have take some small things. Iron rod, chalk and brick. And even you can take a tumbler of water and a hammer. Now if we hammer this iron rod, it's bent but not broken. It's bends but cannot be broken. Chalk can be broken very easily. If we hit chalk by the help of a hammer, it can be broken very easily. And the brick can be broken, but more powerful hammering is needed. So my dear student, force of attraction in iron particle is maximum, chalk is very less force of attraction, and the brick have more particle of bricks have more force of attraction than chalk, but less than iron. Now why we have taken the water tumbler? We can pass our hands through the water tumbler, through water, and even air we can travel very fast too. That means these particles have less force of attraction. So when we pass through it, they slide over each other or give us a way for going. They have it, and when our body passes through the air and water, they again join with each other. But in case of this type of solid iron, chalk and brick, they have much more force of attraction, so we need greater force to make a way between them. Now the student, our third experiment, the particles of matter are in continuous motion To prove that the particles of matter are in continuous motion, we have to do a small experiment. Only two jars are taken. One is empty jar which is filled with air, and a jar filled with nitrogen dioxide which is brown in color and heavier than air. Color is brown. Then what happens? As you know that the heavier than air brown gas, more denser than air. Now we can do another thing. Invert another jar with air, put over the brown nitrogen dioxide jar. Then what happens after some time? The gases of lower jar is heavier than higher one, is still brown color, goes, nitrogen dioxide goes upward in this jar against the gravity. As we know that N2O is heavier than air. So gravity is not working here. Lighter things always float over the denser thing. But how these move to upward? Due to diffusion. This experiment proved that diffusion is in particles of matter are in continuous motion. Brownian moment also proves that when a particles of pollen grain will fall in water, then it starts to continuous zigzag motion. How these start to move? Because particles of water randomly move and strike over the pollen grain. If we put one drop of ink in a beaker of water, then what happens? The ink quickly dissolves in beaker. अब बच्चों यहीं पर आज का ये क्लास को ख़त्म करते हैं. आप लोग इसको देखिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी इसका कुछ फ़ायदा हो, और बेल आइकन को दबाइए. वो एक घंटी है जिससे अगर कोई भी नया वीडियो हम अपलोड करेंगे तो आपके पास तुरंत पहुंच जाएगा. और इसे सब्सक्राइब करें. अगर आप पहली बार हमारे चैनल पर आए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें. अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें. मैं ऐसा नहीं कहूँगा कि आपको समझ में नहीं आया लाइक कर दीजिए. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. हम इतना मेहनत करते हैं तो कम से कम एक लाइक का तो उम्मीद आपसे कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू. गुड नाइट.